Welcome back to my video. Today's quiz is all about would you rather questions. You've got 50 of them. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games just like this. Let's start. Would you rather slip on a banana skin or be bitten by a dog? Would you rather live in an AI-dominated world or a world without technology? Would you rather have unlimited wealth or unlimited happiness? Would you rather kiss Donald Trump or like this video? Would you rather never have to sleep or never be sick? Would you rather talk to animals or control the weather? Would you rather travel the world for free or have $1 million? Would you rather be immortal or have only one life but make it extraordinary? Would you rather never be able to speak again or always have to say everything on your mind? Would you rather never play video games again or comment your biggest fear? Would you rather move like a snail or sleep 20 hours every day? Would you rather live in a world without music or a world without movies? Would you rather give up your best job or give up your best friend? Would you rather have the ability to control fire or control water? Would you rather own a McDonald's restaurant or a KFC? Would you rather meet an angry gorilla or an angry shark? Would you rather have no more social media or no more video games? Would you rather be able to speak to the dead or see into the future? Would you rather always have to sing instead of speak, or have to dance everywhere you go? Would you rather accidentally wake up a grizzly or subscribe to our channel? Would you rather never feel pain or never feel fear? Would you rather have an unlimited supply of your favorite food or an unlimited supply of your favorite drink? Would you rather have unlimited first-class tickets or this private island? Would you rather watch your favorite show all night or play your favorite game all night? Would you rather have the fastest car or the fastest motorcycle? Would you rather be extremely lucky or extremely talented? Would you rather give up doing housework or give up doing homework? Would you rather never cut your nails again or never brush your teeth again? Would you rather spend 5 years behind bars or be in a coma for 5 years? Would you rather have super strength or super speed? Would you rather have a walk-in closet or a home theater? Would you rather save this puppy or save this kitten? Thanks for watching.